How to use GoPro Labs. Your first step is to check your GoPro compatibility. So first make sure your GoPro model actually supports GoPro Labs firmware. Once you have, simply download the GoPro Labs firmware by downloading the latest GoPro Labs firmware for your camera module, and please do that on the official GoPro Labs website. After this, copy the firmware to your SD card by inserting it into your computer and copying those downloaded firmware files onto your SD card. Once you have done that, go ahead and update the GoPro by inserting the SD card back into the GoPro and then power it on to begin the firmware update program. So don't remove your battery or the SD card during the update. Alright, after that, you can begin generating QR code commands as GoPro Labs lets you control settings using QR codes. So generate a QR code and scan it with your camera. That way you can change the resolution, start recording, and enable motion detection. And you also get access to advanced features like scheduled recordings, motion sensing, and custom overlays. But please note the risk. GoPro Labs is an experimental firmware, so some features may still be unstable. Alright,